Imagine never losing your keys, never forgetting a name, and never losing a thought again. In 2026, AI is no longer just a tool. It's becoming our external hard drive. We are entering the era of perfect memory, and it's going to change what it means to be human. New AI wearables are now recording and indexing every conversation you have, every book you read, and every person you meet. With a simple voice command, you can ask your AI, "What did my friend say about that business idea 3 months ago?" Or "Where did I put my glasses this morning?" and get an instant answer. But this power comes with a dark side. If your AI remembers everything, it means privacy as we know it is gone. If you can't forget, can you ever truly forgive or move on? We are outsourcing our brains to the cloud, making us smarter than ever, but also more dependent on the machine. Is perfect memory a superpower or a curse? Are we ready to live in a world where nothing is ever forgotten? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. To stay updated on the evolution of the human mind, subscribe to AI Kido. The future remembers everything. Thanks for watching.